Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm here in WTC and this is the food court. The food court here is really small. I'll just stick there in the shop there. I'm here I'll pass by here in the food court going to the shop. I feel sleepy. I need to buy something before I go home also.